You're gonna say hi guys, and today I will be reviewing my friend's slimes. There she is. She's the one that did the slime dares with me, and yeah, she's the one that did slime dares with me. Wait, before we start, don't mind our hair, we haven't brushed it yet. I actually brushed mine, but don't do it like that. There we go. Okay. So we're playing with slime, and I was just watching YouTube on my phone, just watching slime videos, and I was like, why don't we do this video? She's the one that I did slime dares with, and I might have done another video. Oh yeah, the crutches one? No, I didn't post that, because it wouldn't let me post it. It was weird. It was acting weird that day. Okay, so here's her first slime. This one's called Sparkly Purple. Or Purple Sparkles. Yeah, Purple Sparkles. Is that right? Purple Sparkles?
Yeah, Purple Sparkles. We kind of just randomly named them. And just tell them if it's like, whoa!
Okay then.
I'm going to be showing this one. You can play with it. So, it's a pretty small one.
Yeah. So, that's the first slime. Okay.
Now, the second slime I will be showing you.
It's my favorite out of all of them.
Yeah, I call it Purple Cloud. It's really, really stretchy. And it's, pull up my shirt. And it's really, 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 really pretty and stretchy. And it's called Purple Cloud, but it does have a little bit of sparkles in it. It's kind of like the other one, just a really lighter shade. Okay. We will be right back, okay?
You can't pause it.
Show them slime.
Let's be back in a second. We got to do something.
Our snow stuff away because a little bit ago we were playing in the snow, so now I'm going to put you guys back up and I'm going to show you our third and final slime. Okay, so Gracie's just playing with my purple cloud.
Let me get out of it.
I'm getting all the slime off her phone. I don't know why she did that. Okay, there's another one. It's called Super Sparkles.
No, it's called Sparkle-tastic.
Oh yeah, Sparkle-tastic. It's way more stretchier than the last one.
As you can see,
it's way more stretchier than the last one. This one's kind of just like just pop-ups.
So, do you want to mix these two?
Yes. But I'm not mixing this one because I love the color.
Yeah, I love this one. Guys, look.
You got it on the table.
It is on the table.
I'm gonna play with mine while she tries to make a bubble. I feel like they should get like a camera. Oops, sorry, that's Chloe's, my baby sister's. This is actually all Chloe's stuff, but we moved it.
I made a bubble.
And
Oh, you guys.
they should make like a camera so you can stick it like right there, like
Yeah.
stick it on your head.
Well, they make tripods, so you can wrap your tripod around your head.
Yeah, I guess. And there's usually another camera person. So this one's kind of sparkly if you look really close, but it doesn't have that nice sparkle. That one's like really sparkly, but this one's just a little. This one actually has a little bit of this, that's why it's sparkly, but then it has my other side too.
Look, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Can you face it towards me? Because I won't turn it around and face it. Lately, I've been kind of sad because I've been reading some comments, and they're actually my friend. They've been very, very rude to me.
Who are they?
Gabrielle Miller.
Is that the girl at the carnival?
Yeah.
Okay, so whoever you are, just don't send any mean comments, please. It's just rude.
You
And
say
it's not nice.
she would text me and say that I'm stupid and that I'm ugly, and so guys, you guys know I.
Then why don't you block her?
Because you would text me nonstop.
Then block her.
And still give her a text.